please tell us a little bit about what you do?
Sure. My company, Ingenion Medical, we are developing this urinary catheter for male retention and incontinence. What it does is it's a valve catheter which goes into and stays inside the bladder, but then passes both of the male sphincter muscles, and the valve is down here at the bottom, which is activated by the patient themselves, where they move a magnet close in, and the ball bearing moves out of position, opening the valve.
Okay.
And when you remove it, the ball bearing, which is itself magnetized, goes back in place and seals in a naturally closed position.
Okay.
What this is designed to do is to help patients who have to catheterize themselves up to 6 times per day. And every time they're catheterizing themselves, it increases the risk of infection.
And it's a big part of this.
Catheter-associated UTIs represent 75% of most hospital-based infections. So this is and of those, I think 13% of mortalities result from CAUTIs.
Okay, so one question to you. That's the reason why I wanted actually to have this kind of improvised interview, is that you are willing to raise some money for that, right? So tell us about this.
So to date, we have invested probably about £4.5 million to get to the stage that we're at. Our first generation device has already achieved CE mark, but what we're looking to do is raise $5 million US currently.
Listen well.
That will allow us to not only take this product to CE mark and launch in Europe and South America, but also to gain the clinical data to launch eventually in the US, hopefully sometime in the next 18 months to 2 years.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
Thanks.